everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, I was like totally frustrated after my exams got over. Yes, now I was like free. I am done with my final semester. So I had nothing to do. I was frustrated because lockdown is extending again and again. I had nothing to do. I was like, what will I do? Isn't it? Then I came up with a very good solution, and that was online certification courses. Yes, you may ask why I am doing that kind of courses now. Yes, I am no more a student, but a man or a woman, whatever you say. So yes, any human is always a student. You should always be ready to learn every day, no matter whether you are learning technical skills or managerial or household skills or cultural skills or whatever you want. You should always learn. You should keep on learning every day. That's the main thing, isn't it? So yes, you should never kill the student inside you. That is the main thing which I wanted to share with you all. So lots of gyan. Now, if you are a pre-final year student or final year student, your placement is like nearing, so you must do some courses. Yes, I always said certificates are just a sheet of paper if you don't have knowledge. I'm again saying the same thing. So if you don't have knowledge but a certificate, that certificate is nothing but a sheet of paper. But if you have proper knowledge and along with that knowledge you have certificate, that will that is something which will strengthen your resume, isn't it? And your skills or your knowledge, that is something which will improve you. That will surely help you. The certification courses which I am doing right now may not help me today, but this will surely help me in future. Don't you think that? So yes, knowledge is never wasted. That will always help. So keep this in mind. So yes, and this is not only for final or pre-final year student. If you are in first year or second year, you can also do certifications. You have ample amount of time, guys. If you start from beginning, if you start from first year, what can be better than this? I mean, yes, when you will reach final year and your placement will start, you will find yourself much better than most of your classmates. And this is something which really matters. This is something which will differentiate you from most of the crowd, isn't it? So yes, that's why I said even if you are in first year, you can go for these kind of certifications. These will definitely help, but please don't run after certificates. Okay, so yes, run after knowledge and not certificate. So, and if you can get certificate along with knowledge, that is the best thing. This is something which I wanted to say. Okay, so yes, knowledge is something which you should have as much as you can. Okay, so yes, lots of gyan. Now come to the websites. Which websites I'll say? Why I'm talking about websites, because of lockdown you cannot go outside for offline courses. So we have to go for online courses, isn't it? So the first website which I wanted to talk about is Coursera. Okay, so on Coursera, most of the courses are paid, fine, but because of lockdown, now you are getting more than 100 courses for free. So more than 100 courses totally free. So Coursera offers 3 types of courses. One, totally free. Second type is course for which you have to pay at the time of registration, and third type of courses are the courses which you can learn for free, and for certification you have to pay. So you can learn for free, that is fine, but for certification you have to pay. So 3 type of courses are offered by Coursera. Okay, and the best thing is you will get a certificate of Coursera, fine, but you will get certified by best universities of the world. Okay, so yes, few of the best universities of the world, and you will be trained by few of the best professors of those best universities. So many best, isn't it? So best professors of best universities, what can be better than this? So yes, you are going to get certificate of Harvard University, let's say, or Stanford or anything. So yes, you are going to get certified by Stanford University, and you have never been to USA. Isn't it strange? So yes, this is something which you can get. Okay, and at very low price. It's not like courses are expensive. Some courses are expensive, that is fine, but not all courses. Okay, and yes, many of the courses are for free. If you want, you can go for free courses too. Those are also good. Okay, so trust my words, all courses are good on Coursera. Second website which I want to talk about is edX. So edX offers only one type of course. you can learn for free no matter what course you choose. You can learn whatever you want for free, but you have to pay at the time of certification. So if you are not interested in certificates, learn something, learn for free, and then leave. You have knowledge, isn't it? But yes, certificates will add something to your knowledge. So certification if you want, otherwise no. Okay, third course is Udemy. So Udemy offers two types of courses only. One totally free, second you have to pay at the time of registration. Okay, and yes, on Udemy, unlike edX or Coursera, trainers are always experienced professionals. Okay, so these are not like you won't get certification of say Stanford University. No, you will get certificate of Udemy. Okay, so yes, you will get certificate of Udemy, and yes, the trainers may be professors too, that is fine, but all the trainers are not professors, all the trainers are not teachers by profession. Many of them are like experienced professionals, that is okay. So yes, but the courses are very good. I have done so many courses from Udemy personally. Okay, so yes, it's very good, and I learned Python from Udemy, I will say. So yeah, it was good, and my course was paid, that is okay, but I have done many free courses on Udemy too, and those are all good. So if you want, you can go. And yes, you can get courses at very low price on Udemy. So that's why I like this website. And the fourth website which I wanted to talk about is LinkedIn. So again, LinkedIn is somewhat similar to Udemy. You have to either pay at the time of registration, or the course is totally free. Okay, so yes, LinkedIn offers so many like courses, and learn whatever you want, and again the trainers are going to be experienced professionals. They may be like professors, they may be teachers, but it's not like they will always be professors like Coursera or edX. No, it's not like that. Okay, and the fifth or the last website which I want to talk about is something which will definitely excite you, and that is MIT MOOC. So MIT, नाम ही काफ़ी है, isn't it? So I don't need to explain anything, isn't it? So if you are getting like certificate of MIT, what can be better than this? So yes, you have to pay for that, and courses are not very expensive, but you have to pay. Okay, so most of the courses on MIT MOOC are not free. So yes, this is the case, but it's okay. If you want, you can go for certifications, isn't it? So if you want to go for MIT certification, you should definitely go. So these are some of the online courses which I wanted to talk about. You can choose any of them, and if you want link, then check the description box. I have given links there. And one more thing guys, I started DBMS series on my Instagram. So if you want to learn DBMS, then you can go and follow me on Instagram, and you can learn DBMS. So yes, you can learn DBMS for free there. So yes, I don't have like paid courses, I have all courses for free. So you can learn DBMS too, and you all know DBMS is one of the most important subject when it comes to placements, no matter whether it's on campus or off campus. So DBMS will always be there, isn't it? So yes, on this note, I'm wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit, love you all. This is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye.